gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Ah, oh my God. Ah! Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn?
Renowned Nollywood actress Biodun Okeowo, popularly known as Omoboti, recently expressed her distress after experiencing 2 car accidents within a short 10-minute interval. She shared her experience on Instagram, explaining that the first accident was followed by a more severe one shortly after. Okeowo's mood was negatively affected, leading her to cancel her planned events for the day. Despite the significant financial loss she incurred at the mechanics, the actress remains grateful for her life and acknowledges that there must be a reason for these events. In her words, "My car was hit twice within just 10 minutes. After leaving the scene of the first accident, I experienced an even more serious collision. God knows best. My mood is ruined, and I didn't expect this. I had to cancel all my plans, missing out on the fun and food at the party. My makeup went to waste, and now I have to pay millions at the panel beaters. However, I still praise God for keeping me alive."
Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? 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 Ah, oh my God. Ah! Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí bá ń sìn? Someone to describe mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́. What is all this? Ah! People will just come online and be saying nonsense. You'll be saying nonsense. I don't have to record it. I'm crying and I'm doing video. Do you know the reason why I'm doing it? Do you know if I have a brand that I'm supposed to do something for today? Do you know? Do you know? Do you think everybody just come online to come and chase clouds? You don't know the reason why some people are doing something, and you people will just be talking. You be talking anyhow. Chasing clouds, chasing clouds. And some people are saying that that car to repair it cannot cost up to $1 million. How much is this? How much is this? Some people will just be talking anyhow. If I'm posting it online, I have my reasons for posting it online. I'm an influencer and I have brands that I'm answerable to. You people should just stop commenting nonsense. Even if it is 100,000 I'm using to repair the car, is it part of my budget? Or did I tell you